marriage is a bond to be entered into only after considerable thought and reflection. Do you take Ben to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
And will you promise to care for him above all others and cherish him for the rest of your lives together?
I will. As a sign of our marriage.
As a symbol of my love for you.
I promise to live with you.
And to love you.
And to love you.
And it gives me the very greatest of pleasure to pronounce you husband and husband together. So in time-honoured tradition, would you like to share a cake?
I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you want to come on? I scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind.